Hello, welcome to Competitive Exams Library YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the videos, please like, comment and share with your friends. Okay, today topic is important summits in India. This topic is really very important. 1 mark confirm in all bank exams. So please concentrate on topic. So first summit is G7 summit. G7 means group of 7. So actually G7 is before G8 summit. So Russia is suspended because of Crimea issue. So G8 summit is now converted to G7 summit. Okay. So 2015 G7 summit is held at Bavaria, Germany, and 2016 42nd G7 summit Shima Kanko Hotel, Kashiko Island, Japan, and next 2017 43rd Carmonia, Cilia, Italy. Okay. Present Japan and next year Italy. So remember these summits, so just put a code word like GI, G7 summit. So G Japan, I Italy. Okay. Present Japan, next year Italy. Okay. G7 members are 7. So the members are Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Canada, USA. So for remember these 7 members, I give a code word JU GF ICU, JU JNTU University, GF girlfriend ICU, you know. So these 3 words to remember these 7 members, J Japan it, okay, or otherwise JGU ICU GF. So remember the three code words JU GF ICU to remember these 7 members of G7 summit. So next G20 summit. So G20 2015 Antalya, Turkey, 2016 Hasenvik, China, 2017 Hamburg, Germany. It's like hamburger. Remember like that. 2019 Buenos Aires, Argentina. Argentina capital Buenos Aires. Okay. To remember this order, I give a code word TCGA, ticket collector, general awareness. Okay. TCGA, the code word is TCGA, T, Turkey, China, Germany, Argentina. The order from 2015 to 18 TCGA. Turkey, China, Germany, Argentina. Okay. So remember like this. And in G20 there are 20 members and India is also member of G20. The 20 members are Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States and European Union. So it is difficult to remember all those names. So remember what are the main countries not in the list. So some neighbor countries of India like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Nepal. So all these countries are not in the G20 summit. So only neighboring country for India, China, is only the member of G20. So remember like that. So you can easily eliminate from options. Okay. G20. So next is SAARC summit. SAARC summit previously held at Kathmandu, Nepal, and this year SAARC summit will be held at Islamabad, Pakistan. Okay, in SAARC summit there are 8 members. So members are Maldives, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Nepal. So remember these countries with the code word MBBS PAIN, MBBS PIN PAIN. So okay, Maldives, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Nepal. So or yes, ABN important, ABN Andhra Jyoti. Okay. So whatever you like the code word, follow the code word MBBS PAIN or ABN IMP. Okay, MBBS PAIN is better. So for SAARC summit, present Islamabad, Pakistan. Okay. Next Asian summit. Asian summit 2015 held at Malaysia, present Laos, Vietnam, 2017 next Philippines. Okay, in Asian summit there are 10 members: Brunei, Malaysia, Myanmar, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Indonesia, Philippines. The important point is India is not a member of Asian summit. Okay, for remembering these Asian countries, code word is BMMS TV clip. So B Bollywood MMS TV clip or MTS very important LBC. So Max is very important from last BC. So either both code words you can remember this Asian summit. BMMS Bollywood MMS TV clip or MTS very important LBC to remember these Asian countries. Okay, present Laos, Vietnam, next year Philippines. Next BRICS summit. 2015 BRICS Summit held at for Russia, 2016 Goa, India, and 2017 China. So BRICS, BRICS, BRICS. So these members are countries Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So you can easily remember the countries in BRICS. So okay, B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China, S for South Africa. And the summits are held in order also. So 2015 Russia, so next India 2016, so 2017 China, so next 2018 South Africa, next Brazil, so next Russia. So the order is follow like this, BRICS, so BRICS Summit. Okay, so you can easily remember the member of the countries and also summits held year wise. So the order follows BRICS. So next EPIC Summit, total members 21. In EPIC, total 21 members are there. 2015 the summit was held at Philippines, 2016 Peru, Lima, 2017 Hanoi, Vietnam. So okay, PPV, Philippines, Peru, Vietnam. So remember the code word PPV for EPIC Summit. There are 21 members, remember. So next SCO Summit members Tajikistan, Russia, Uzbekistan, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. So for remembering SCO member countries, the code word is TRUCK, TRUCKK. T Tajikistan, R Russia, U Uzbekistan, C Kazakhstan, K Kyrgyzstan. So double K, TRUCK, TRUCKK. Okay, remember this code word for SCO Summit, SCO members. So present 2016 the summit was held at Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan. Okay. Next NATO Summit, 2016 NATO Summit was held at Warsaw, Poland. 2016 Nuclear Summit was held at Washington DC. Next Indian Science Congress 103 Summit was held at Mysore. In this year, Indian Science Congress, Mysore. Okay, once again I repeat, NATO, Warsaw, Poland, Nuclear Summit, Washington DC. So Indian Science Congress, Mysore. Okay. So next Northeast Asian Business Summit, Manipur, Impal. Northeast Asian Business Summit, Manipur, Impal. Okay, next Maritime India Summit, Mumbai. So MM, first letters both are M. So remember like this, MM, Maritime India Summit, Mumbai. Next Women Economic Forum, New Delhi, and World Economic Forum, Delhi. So WEF means World Economic Forum, so don't confuse. So Women Economic Forum also there, so both are held at New Delhi. So once again I tell you, Northeast Asian Summit, Manipur, Impal, Maritime, Mumbai, Women Economic Forum and World Economic Forum are held at Delhi. Okay, annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank headquarters is in Manila, Philippines, but now the summit is at Frankfurt, Germany. So remember like the Frankfurt, Fruit, fruit. Okay, like remember like that name, Frankfurt, Germany. The annual meeting of Asian Development Bank was held at Frankfurt, Germany. But actually the headquarters of Asian Development Bank is in Manila, Philippines. Okay, remember. So Make in India Conference, Bhubaneswar. So recently held Make in India Conference, it was held at Bhubaneswar. Next International Summit on Tobacco Control, India. International Summit on Tobacco Control, India. Okay, the BRICS Summit was held at Goa, India. So the various other forms of BRICS Summits also there. Once again I tell you, so remember carefully. The second BRICS Youth Summit was held at Guwahati, Assam. So BRICS meeting on energy efficiency was held at Vizag, Visakhapatnam. Okay, Vizag, Visakhapatnam both are same. BRICS meeting on energy efficiency, Vizag. Urban Forum meeting, Vizag. So Drug Control Agency Working Group meeting, Delhi, New Delhi. The BRICS Policy Planning Dialogue, Patna, Bihar. Once again I repeat, listen carefully. BRICS Youth Summit, Guwahati, Assam. Youth Summit, Guwahati, Assam. Energy Efficiency, Vizag. Urban Forum meeting, Vizag. Drug Control, New Delhi. Policy Planning Dialogue, Patna, Bihar. Okay, that's all for the summits. Please visit our blog competitiveexamslibrary.blogspot.in. Our link is in description. So for download static GK PDF materials, so go for the link. And if you want to touch our more updates, like us Facebook page, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.